Hi, I'm Lex Fairley, founder and head builder at Fairley Constructions.
And I'm Sarah Fairley, General Manager at Fairley Constructions.
We are a friendly and professional home renovations company.
Passionate about helping our clients maximise their family homes through all seasons of life. We renovate homes on Sydney's North Shore and Northern Beaches.
Fairley Constructions specialises in renovations, extensions and carpentry projects.
Whether it's transforming your new house into a safe family home,
or extending your home to create extra space for the kids to grow,
or creating an entertaining area to host family and friends, adding value to an investment property, or creating an easy living design for empty nesters.
When you choose Fairley Constructions, you gain access to our team of trade specialists.
We partner with only the most respected and expert sub-trades in the industry to ensure that our high quality of work is consistent across all elements of the build.
Get in touch today so we can help you bring your home vision to life.